In this video, I will show you how to enable offline mode in Google Docs. First, open Google Chrome and go to Google Docs. Make sure you are signed in to your Google account. After that, open any Google Docs file. Click on File in the top left corner and go to the offline settings. Inside the settings, find the offline option and turn it on. If prompted, install the Google Docs offline extension for Chrome and allow the required permissions. After enabling it, you may be asked to reload the page. Once the page reloads, click on File again and select Make this file available offline. If another message appears asking to enable offline access for all documents, click Yes, then reload the page one more time. After reopening the document, go back to File, and you should now see that offline mode is enabled for your Google Docs file. Once offline mode is enabled, your recent Google Docs files will automatically sync to your device, and you'll be able to open and edit them even without an internet connection. Any changes you make offline will sync automatically the next time you connect to the internet. That's it! You have successfully enabled offline mode in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.